Hello everyone. I am Miss Priyanka Sanjay Latte, working as lecturer at Moa Education Society's Mula Rural Institute of Pharmacy Sone. In this presentation, I am going to discuss topic that is volatile oil. This topic we will discuss for first year D Pharmacy students. Content of presentation: Introduction, definition of volatile oil, classification of volatile oil, difference between volatile oil and fixed oil, difference between fats and waxes, difference between oils and fats, different techniques for isolation of volatile oil, identification test of volatile oil, uses of volatile oil. Firstly, we will discuss introduction. Chemically, volatile oils are derived from terpenes and their oxygenated compounds. They are made up of isoprene units, that is C5H8. They are optically active. They are secreted in special structures such as ducts, cells, trichomes, etc. They are present in entire plant or in any part of plant. Next point, definition of volatile oil. The odorous volatile principle of plant and animal sources are known as volatile oil. As they evaporate when exposed in air at ordinary temperature, they are also called as ethereal oil. Chemically, they are derived from terpenes and oxygenated compounds. They are made up of isoprene units, that is C5H8. Example: caraway oil, ginger oil, eucalyptus oil, peppermint oil, clove oil. Next point, classification of volatile oil. In that, types of volatile oil. First, alcohol volatile oil. Example: cardamom, coriander, rose oil, sandalwood oil. Second, aldehyde volatile oil. Example: cinnamon, lemon oil, bitter almond. Third, ester volatile oil. Example: lavender oil, mustard oil. Fourth, hydrocarbons volatile oil. Example: black pepper, turpentine. Fifth, ketone volatile oil. Example: caraway, camphor oil. Sixth, oxide volatile oil, eucalyptus oil, cynopodium oil. 7. Phenolic ether volatile oil. Example: fennel oil, nutmeg. And 8. Phenol volatile oil. Example: clove oil and thymine. The next point, difference between volatile oil and fixed oil. In that first point, it evaporates at room temperature, and in fixed oil, it does not evaporate at room temperature. Second one, the volatile oil, they can be distilled from natural sources, and fixed oil, they can't be distilled. Third one, volatile oils are not glycerides of fatty acid and hence can't be saponification with alkalis. In fixed oils are esters of fatty acid, hence they can be saponified with alkali. Fourth one, they do not leave a stain on paper, and in fixed oil they leave a stain on paper. Then volatile oils, fifth point, they do not get rancid, and fixed oil get rancid on exposure to air. Sixth one, The standards for the purity are density, diffractive index, optical rotation, boiling point. And in fixed oil, standards for purity are acid value, saponification value, iodine value, specific gravity. Examples of volatile oil, clove oil and peppermint oil. And examples of fixed oil, castor oil and linseed oil. Then next point, difference between fats and waxes. In that first, fats are solid or semi-solid in nature above temperature 15.5 degree to 16.5 degree. Waxes are fusible, viscous, solid substances. Second point, they are chemically glycerides of higher fatty acids and they are esters of fatty acids with high molecular weight, monocyclic alcohol such as cholesterol, cetyl alcohol, etc. Third point, fats may be saponified by either aqueous or alcoholic alkali and waxes are saponified only by alcoholic alkali. Fourth point, fats are suitable for internal consumption and waxes are unsuitable for internal consumption since there is no enzyme in human body to hydrolyze them. Then examples of fats are cocoa butter, nutmeg butter, and examples of waxes are beeswax and wool fat. Then next point, difference between oils and fats. In that first point, oils are the substances which remains liquid at 15.5 degree to 16.5 degrees Celsius, and in fats are the substances which remain solid or semi-solid at above temperature 15.5 degree to 16.5 degrees Celsius. Second point, oils they contain less amount of saturated acids and fats they contain more percentage of saturated acids. Third point, oils can be subclassified as drying, semi-drying and non-drying oils. Fats cannot be subclassified. Fourth point, examples of oils are linseed oil, castor oil, almond oil. And examples of fats are coconut oil, cocoa butter, nutmeg butter, etc. Then next point, techniques for isolation of volatile oil. In that first technique, hydrodistillation. The method comprises of water distillation, water and steam distillation, and steam distillation is used for extraction of volatile oil from herbal drug. The material is subjected to hydrodistillation in case of the leaf drugs. Example, Senna digitalis. Air-dried subtitanium parts are extracted by steam distillation. Second method, influrate. The method is used for extraction of delicate perfume. The fresh flower petals are mechanically spread on layer of fatty material allowed to imbibe in bracket push forward bracket complete and existed petals are replaced by material. The process is continuous till the fatty layer is saturated with volatile principle which are then extracted with lipid solvent. Third method, Equilibe. This technique is used for extraction of citrus oil, wherein oil cells in ring are ruptured mechanically using the pointed projection by twisting raw material over in clockwise direction, either mechanically or manually. Next point, identification test of volatile oil. Presence of volatile oils in the natural drugs can be detected by the following test. First, to the thin section of the drug, alcoholic solution of Sudan 3rd is added. Red color obtained by globules indicate the presence of volatile oil. Second one, to the thin section of the drug, added a drop of tinctures alkali. A red color indicates presence of volatile oil. Next point, uses of volatile oil. First, volatile oils are used as flavoring and perfuming agents in pharmaceutical formulations, food, beverage, and cosmetics. Second one, they are used as carminative. For example, cinnamon. Then anti-anthelmintics, diuretics, antiseptic, counter-irritants, and sedative. Third one, they are also used as insect repellent. For example, citronella oil. Fourth one, it is also used for synthesis of vitamin A. Example, lemongrass oil. Thank you.